Welcome to the 5K 50 project, day 6. Today we're starting the day in Annecy, France, a lovely city nestled on a lake in the foothill of the Alps. Today is Tour de France day. We're actually going to try and head up a couple of the Tour de France climbs. First, a little walk around the city, and then headed off to the Alps. This is a Scott day of the trip. Heather's going to indulge me and let me play around in the mountains a bit. Seem to have stumbled upon the market in Annecy today. That's a bonus. Just hiked up to the chateau. Now we're gonna head back down into the main city, finish up our market shopping. We have our baguette. We bought some cheese. We gotta get some meat of some variety, and then we can head to the hills for our French Alps picnic. Next year on the Tour de France, they start about stage 17 or 18 in Grenoble, France. They head up towards the Col de La Madeleine, up over that mountain, down into the valley, then up to another ski resort to finish the stage. Well, today on our route, we're gonna go up the Col de La Madeleine, which starts right here at the base of the mountain. It's about 13 miles to the top. this mountain pass, right up over past the little pizzeria over there on the top. Come screaming across the tap right here. Past Heather. I'm gonna go hauling down into this valley below right here. When it gets to the bottom of the valley on that side, it'll take a right, go up the canyon a little bit, and then take another right and go up the next canyon over, up to the top of another ski resort area for the summit finish. It'll be the last big summit group finish of the tour. The mountain range across the valley is Mont Blanc. You can't see Mont Blanc, the summit, because it's in the clouds over there. Here is our market purchased lunch. We have a lovely little thing of raspberries, the rosemary herb sausage, the baguette, and the cheese, which I don't even know which kind it is, but it was really good at the sample on the market.
Yep.
So we're gonna make a few little sandwiches with our haul from the market. And way better than eating sitting in a restaurant somewhere. Amazing surroundings up in the Alps. Rick Steves would be proud. We're here at the bottom of Mountvenire switchbacks. Not sure what the little French name is for them, but they basically just go cruising up this little cliff face up to a little church there at the top. But I'm gonna try and fly the drone and get a look at them really quick. So we'll see what that looks like. Made it to the Col du Galibier, but disaster has struck. Somewhere over on the Col de La Madeleine, my backpack either fell out of the car or I put it down and left it. My backpack has disappeared, missing our Heather's lovely blue coat, a couple of SD cards, and a GoPro battery. So very, very bummer, lost it, but luckily no money or passports or anything like that was in it. We did make a mad dash back to the top of the Col de Madeleine, so we went up to the top of the mountain twice to try to see if we could find it, but no such luck. So then we crossed down over the valley, up the valley, and then up to the Col du Galibier, which is one of the most famous climbs in the Tour de France. As you can see, the road's snaking up the valley. Super impressive. Normally, you can go up over the very tip top of the summit, but that's closed. You can see the gate right there is closed. So we get to go through the tunnel over there. As we come out the tunnel on the other side, we will then head down into the valley, head back to the west, down to Le Bourg d'Orsine, which is where the Alpe d'Huez is. We're not going to make it to the bike shop tonight, which I was trying to make it to the bike shop before it closed, but with the lost backpack, no such luck. So, lovely drive, missing backpack. All in all, one of the best days ever.